Hey guys, today I am Abul Hussain Shapan with another tutorial. You are watching channel online tutorial Varsity. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to get more views and subscribes to your channel. Without wasting any more time, let's go to start the main part of this tutorial. How to get more views and subscribes on YouTube channel. Tips for growing your channel. There are several ways to increase views and subscribes on a YouTube channel. Topic number 1. Create engaging and high quality content that aligns with your target audience interest. Topic number 2. Optimize your video titles, descriptions and text for search to make it easier for people to find your videos. Topic number 3. Promote your videos on social media and other platforms to drive traffic to your channel. Topic number 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers to reach your new audience. Topic number 5. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating a sense of community around your channel. Topic number 6. Use paid promotion such as YouTube ads, Google AdWords and influencer marketing. Topic number 7. Regularly upload videos and be consistent with your content schedule to keep your audience engaged. Topic number 8. Utilize YouTube analytics to understand your audience and optimize your content accordingly.